All right, today I have a Kia K5 and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular Kia K5. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Kia K5 and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and if the vehicle is in park, I have my foot on the brake, I'm actually gonna turn the vehicle off. Now to open up the hood, what you'll do is you'll open up the door and then you'll look down near the foot and you'll see this lever. See this lever right here? It's a clever lever. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it and you'll hear a little pop, okay? That pop was the hood. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out of the vehicle and I'm gonna walk around. And you see down here, I'm gonna take this, there is a little lever that I have to push that way. And I pull up. You see this? This is what I did. I pushed this that way and I pulled up. You see that? Now the hood is open and I'm able to get in the hood. There is no kickstand because you have these powered joints right there to open and keep the hood open on this particular K5. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.